Hello everyone, good evening. Let's start today problem 1200, minimum absolute difference. Given an array, distinct integer array, find the given pair elements with a minimum absolute difference. Return pair of ascending orders a comma b follows a comma b from array and a less than b minus a. And let's read and understand the problem. There is given array of distinct integers arrays. One array is given and find pair of elements which have minimum absolute difference of any element. It means we have a given one array and find the minimum of this and taking pair 2 wise and ascending order between respect with the pair. Each pair contains a comma b. Each pair contains two numbers selected from arrays. Let example 1 input array is given 4, 2, 1 and 3. And how to find this output? We select two numbers by this pair 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3 as possible as many, and we find the difference of these. If difference is minimum, then we select this pair for the array. What is the explanation? The minimum absolute difference is 1. Example, yes, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So the difference is 1. So the pairs are 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. This means first we will find the, and by the next example input array 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. In this we will select 1 and 3. The difference is 2. And the next example is as per that. Now we will read the constants. Length is between 2 and 10 to the power 5, and array of I is between minus 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power 6. It means that's possible. This problem is solved by the complexity n, and now we will do this problem in the copy and do this code by the Java. Let's start. We will understand by the example 1. We have given 4, 2, 1, 3 this array, and we need to find the pairs which have minimum difference. Means 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 2 minus, then we select 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus 1. Then and we find absolute value, then 1, 1, 1, 1, and we want that pair which have same difference. So the answer of this becomes 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. One, two, two, three, 3 and 4. Then this becomes answer. Then how this we will transfer the array again and again by this. If we sort this array, then if sort this array, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the selection of pair becomes easily. We will select 1 and 2, okay, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and we are only by the single loop from I barabar 0 to n, I barabar 0 to n. So I barabar 0 to n, and every times increase the I, so the pairs become 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4. And also make array list and return these pairs. So what is the algorithm of this? So first we sort array. After this sorting array, transverse array and find minimum difference. Okay, next we make array list. Okay, next after this we find pair. If difference of pair is equal to mean difference. then return these pairs in array. This is the algorithm. Now we will do the code and understand by the code. Now let's do our code. First we want to sort the array, and the array sort is arrays dot sort. और किसको sort करना? array. उसमें array put कर देना. Then we need to find the minimum int min difference. Minimum difference is equal to and the max value integer dot max slash value. Now what we do, the next we will use the for loop for transversing this array from I बराबर 0 to I बराबर n. Then what we do, int I is less than array dot length I plus plus, and then we wanted to select the pairs 4 2 and 1 2 2 3 3 4 and first we need to find the minimum of this. If there are, because there are so much pairs, so we start from 1, so it is so easy for starting 0. Let's we find the minimum of these by the built-in function in the Java. We use mindiff equal to math dot min. Mindiff equal to math dot min. और किसका किसका लेना है हमें math dot min? One is mindiff and second we array of I and I minus 1, because we start from I बराबर 1. So if I equal to 1 then array of I is 1 and I minus is 0, यानी कि नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट से फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स का डिफरेंस निकालना है. करेक्ट बात है. मतलब इन दोनों में जो भी हमारा मिनिमम आ जाएगा वो मैथ डॉट मिन फंक्शन हमारा दे देगा. नाउ वी दिस फंक्शन गिव्स minimum value of the difference, and now we make a array list for answer, because we wanted this answer in array list. We make array list of result because we want a result. New array list. Okay, we make this new array list, and then we use for loop once again for the transversing and for the result. Int I equal to 1, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus, and then if we first we initialize the difference. Int diff equal to arr of I minus arr of I minus 1, and then there is one condition, because we want many pairs. The condition is if condition we can use if array of if difference is equal to min difference. If difference and min difference equal हो जाता है then हमें we will select we will put this value in array list. So by the inserting, we will use inserting result dot add, मीन्स मतलब जो वैल्यू हमें गिवन आई है उसको ऐड कर देना है एरे लिस्ट में. किस को? हमें 2 नंबर्स चाहिए ना, एरे ऑफ आई चाहिए और एरे ऑफ आई माइनस 1 चाहिए, बट दे आर इन सॉर्टिंग फॉर्म. सो एरे ऑफ आई माइनस 1 पहले लिखना है एंड देन एरे ऑफ आई, बिकॉज वी नीड टू बी सॉर्टेड एरे इन आउटपुट. सो एरे ऑफ आई माइनस 1 and array of I. Okay, this is correct. Now we will return the result. Okay, return what? Return result, because result is in array list. So we will run this code and check is it working properly or not, or running process are doing. There is some network issue, so it takes much so time. Okay, I think this is correct code. So okay, the code runs correctly, properly, no any error, no any compiler error. So we will understand the problem again. First we are a sort, because by the sorting it become easy, and then we use for loop, find minimum value because we need minimum value, and then we make an minimum value if given, then make array list, and for I बराबर 0 to I बराबर 1 to n, and then find difference. If difference is this, then result को array list में add कर देना है.